Welcome to our decentralized perpetual trade platform, combining centralized exchange speed with DeFi security. Trade directly from your wallet while maintaining full control of your assets. Here is the perpetual trading dashboard. View live market data, real-time charts, and order book activity to analyze markets and trade with confidence. Before trading, users can securely connect their preferred blockchain wallet with a single click. Unlike traditional exchanges, assets remain under the user's control at all times. Once connected, users can deposit trading collateral through a simple deposit interface that displays all relevant transfer details. After confirmation, the transaction is processed on-chain, ensuring complete transparency, security, and reduced counterparty risk, while delivering a seamless trading experience. Users can easily switch between multiple perpetual markets, with real-time updates to pricing, funding rates, and market data. This provides a seamless and efficient trading experience across different assets. To place a trade, start by entering the amount you wish to trade, then choose either a limit order or a market order, depending on how you want the trade to be executed. If you select a limit order, you can specify the price at which you want to enter the market. Once submitted, the order will appear in the Open Orders section and will remain there until the market reaches your target price or the order is canceled. If you select a market order, the trade will be executed immediately at the best available market price. After execution, the position will be displayed in the Positions section, where you can monitor your active trades. To exit an active position, the platform provides two options: Limit Close and Market Close. With Limit Close, you can set a desired exit price for your position. The close order will be placed in the Open Orders section and will remain active until the specified price is reached. If the order is canceled before execution, the position will remain open and continue to be displayed under Positions. For an immediate exit, select Market Close. The platform will close the position instantly at the current market price, allowing you to quickly realize your profit or loss and complete the trade. This flexible order management system gives traders greater control over both entry and exit strategies. The platform also provides access to fills, order history, and funding payments for complete trade monitoring. Under the Orders menu, users can view all positions, open orders, fills, order history, and funding payments in a single location. The platform also includes a dedicated administration panel for managing perpetual trading operations. Through the Perpetual Trade Settings page, administrators can manage available trading pairs, add new markets, update configurations, and export trading pair data in CSV format for reporting and analysis. To support transparency and detailed activity tracking, the platform includes a dedicated Perpetual History section, provides a complete overview of trading activities across the platform. Users can access position history to review previously opened and closed positions, while Open Order History and Order History offer visibility into pending, executed, and canceled orders. Additionally, the Fills History page displays detailed trade execution records, allowing users to track how and when their orders were filled. Together, these features provide comprehensive trade monitoring, historical reporting, and operational transparency, helping both users and administrators efficiently manage trading activities on the platform. Thank you for watching this overview of the Perpetual Trading Platform. To learn more, connect with us through the contact details below.